Good. Now we're playing for YouTube. What?
Wow, congratulations.
That's gonna get loads of views. I'm gonna play it. Keep playing. Down. Gotta beat one. Gotta beat four. Most people do this. They record the games on their phone. Gotta go lower. There's one like that, and there's one like that. You got a good loadout. Couldn't even be good than the first one. Five.
You're not saying I was there.
I'll be able to.
Oh my god. Hi. Do you know what? I'll give you with her.
Yeah, by tomorrow you'll be best friends.
You want to bet?
Yeah.
No, by tomorrow. She'll have no hair left.
Okay. If she's got a single strand of hair tomorrow, you owe me a crunchy.
The what?
Crunchy, you know, chocolate
Oh,
bar.
yeah.
But if
No.
she's got no hair, then I give you a Ouija, conjuring. I end the listing on whatever his name. My competitive haircut doll. And I give the stretchy thing. That's 4 things.
And HDMI.
I'm going to bring that back sometime.
Yeah.
So that's 1, 2, 3 Ouija's, conjuring, stretchy thing. So that's 5 things now, and what else did I say?
Conjuring Ouija.
Yeah, for the 3 Ouija's. But you know it's not gonna happen.
Stretchy thing. Oh no, you said that.